When people think of the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, they usually think of this building. But what some people don't realize is that there's another building across the street called the Whitney Block, and that's where the Portfolio Management Office is.
The Portfolio Management Office is the office that manages all information management and information technology projects in the Assembly. So all IMIT projects come through us. We have a number of project managers that manage and coordinate those projects. And then the office manages the portfolio. That's why it's a portfolio, the portfolio of projects that take place in the I division here. So we do strategic alignment, reporting, monitoring, reporting on the projects. We do some risk analysis, we do resource management, change management, things like that.
Each year, the team works on 50 to 60 projects, and some take multiple years to roll out. The project managers are the ones behind it all.
My job is really important because it makes different projects to be real in their life. So we make things happen. The Legislative Assembly of Ontario has lots of different projects, from IT to ERP, food services. They all have their own projects. So we try to make them happen on time, within budget and scope, and making sure that they're done for the Assembly.
An example of one of the projects they've managed was the development of customized parliamentary applications that are used to support the operations of the House.
Those applications in particular are very specialized. We have a director here who likes to say there's no such thing as Microsoft Parliament. If there was, it would be easy. But the work of Parliament is very specific. The rules of each Parliament are also fairly specific, and we have our standing orders. So we have the applications, they basically run in accordance with procedures of our House.
Lots of corporate settings will have project managers, but the ones at the Legislative Assembly of Ontario are unique.
For the corporate companies, it's really important to make everything profitable, and I guess it's the only thing that is really important to them. Here it's more about the community, society, making sure that the projects are really feasible and beneficial, not just for the organization itself, but for the community as well.
An average day for project managers might sound mundane.
A lot of meetings. Some days I've had 10 meetings. Most of my day is spent either having meetings, scheduling meetings, or following up with everybody to make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Though the team says it's anything but mundane.
And it changes every day. Things come and go, new problems come, problems are solved. It's never the same.
Every day I meet new people. It's not routine, it's not the same every day. So I have the opportunity to talk to different branches, different teams, and learn more about their daily responsibilities.
It's been really interesting and exciting to learn and work with the people in the Assembly to get this job done. And everybody is committed to making this happen.
In addition to the people, Eddie says the environment also inspires him.
It's great to work in such a historic building. I'm still a little bit in awe every time I come up, especially the main walkway there, and I see the building. It's been a number of years, and I see it a lot, but every time it sort of tugs at your heartstrings, I guess.
Continue to get to know the LAO by following us on our social media channels and tuning in to the Parliamentary TV channel. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.